Don't move! Get your ass! Turn around! Turn around!
2029, we're going to be getting on.
What started as a routine patrol in Los Angeles quickly turned into a high-stakes, life-or-death confrontation. This is the moment a felony suspect decided to use his vehicle as a weapon against the LAPD.
5 north from Santa Fe.
Well, hold on, because he could hop over one,
Yeah.
so let's just...
On April 8, 2026, LAPD officers spotted a newer model BMW wanted for a felony crime. The suspect immediately hit the gas, launching onto the 5 freeway in a desperate attempt to evade. Units scrambled for backup as the chase escalated instantly.
Do you request for the eastbound Oncoming?
60 eastbound from Santa Fe.
2029, we're going to be getting on the 60 eastbound.
Just wait for air shuttle. 6 officers.
Eastbound from the eastbound 110.
Oh, no, we're heading 5.
Yeah.
Just
Let me wait till
yeah, exactly. And then when it goes to pursuit, we'll request 3.
Yeah.
Just because there's multiple occupants in there.
2029, correction, we're going to be getting on the 5 southbound.
13 into 1.
2029, we're going to be continuing southbound on the 5 freeway, passing Indiana.
Just saw they'll take primary.
1-812, we're going to be in pursuit of a Gold 6 Charles vehicle. We're going to be continuing southbound on the 5 from Indiana. Black BMW 2-door.
Stand by 1-812 is in pursuit of a 6 Charles vehicle southbound 5 from Indiana, following a black BMW 430i. Back supervisor.
Pursuit, ground and number of occupation.
Continuing southbound 5 with unknown number of occupants.
Just a minute later, the suspect took the Olympic Boulevard exit. But instead of fleeing, he made a reckless U-turn on the off-ramp, accelerating against traffic and slamming head-on into the oncoming police cruisers.
Suspect just slow down, guys. Slow down, coming around the corner. You just spun out.
Southbound 5 freeway.
Hey, let me see your hands! Don't move! Hey, get your hands! Get up! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Hey! Hey! Don't reach! Don't reach! You get shot! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Don't do it!
With his car disabled, the 30-year-old driver stepped out. Officers gave clear commands to surrender, but the suspect refused. Instead, he pulled a semi-automatic handgun from his waistband and aimed it directly at an officer, triggering an immediate officer-involved shooting.
Hey, get your hands! Get up! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Hey! Hey! Don't reach! Don't reach! Don't reach! You get shot! Put your hands up! Hey, let me see your hands! Don't move! Turn around! Turn around! Don't. Get on the ground. Turn around. Face that way. Face that way. Face that way. Don't reach for anything. Do not reach for anything. Put your hands up.
The suspect was pronounced deceased at the scene. An additional passenger inside the BMW complied with orders and was safely taken into custody.
Don't fucking
Investigators later recovered a loaded 9mm Glock handgun with 17 rounds and a .357 Magnum revolver inside the BMW. 2 officers were treated for crash injuries.